Good morning. What is freaking up, you guys? It is another day of the daily vlogs, and it is the first morning inside our new freaking house. Today I was going to film my house tour, but I decided against it, and I know you guys are really excited about it, and I'm really excited to show it to you guys. But last night Matt and I got in around 2:30 a.m. and I didn't go to sleep till 6 a.m. because I was working on my first freaking daily vlogs. I only had about 5 hours of sleep, and there's so much to be done today. I still need to unpack the kitchen, unpack all our clothes. I want to do this house justice. This house is so pretty that I don't want random suitcases and random things just laying around. I want to show you guys this freaking house. It is beautiful, massive, and they just decorated it so perfectly. Also, the beds. I had the best night's sleep last night. It was incredible, but I wanted to unpack this house and make it feel really homey before I do a little like house tour for you guys. And I know you guys are so excited about it, and I'm so freaking sorry. I hate YouTubers that do this. I have become the bitch that does this, but it's gonna be okay because you guys are gonna get it in the next vlog, so get excited for that. But today is Super Bowl Sunday, aka the halftime show. I only have a couple of hours to unpack and everything before Matt wants to watch the Super Bowl. Yeah, let's get started. I want to start putting away all the clothes on my hangers and stuff. We literally have like 12 hangers. Yes, guys, I have a little hack for you guys if you guys are ever packing for like a super long trip and you just don't want to bring a bunch of stuff, or you are bringing a bunch of stuff and you need everything to fit in there. I put all of my underwear in these shoes. These shoes are brand new, by the way, never stuck my foot inside of it. And then I put my socks into here so that you have like a little bit of extra room. One, it's gonna save you space, and two, it is going to help preserve the shape of your shoe so that it doesn't get bent or warped in any way. Definitely try that out. A little freaking suitcase hack for you guys. Okay guys, so these are all the shoes I was able to bring with me to Denver. It's not a lot. I have 4 pairs of boots, including these guys, and then 1 pair of sneakers. Honestly, I'm surprised I didn't bring more shoes. Again, I'm gonna try to stop by like Ross or something today. If Matt is down to go with me, we'll buy some more velvet hangers. I have so much clothes still, all of that beauty stuff. I really just don't want to be living inside suitcases, so we're gonna try to get all of this stuff out. The only drawers that are in this room are these drawers, and clearly, as you guys can see, these are the tiniest drawers ever. If you guys remember last night, I was unpacking this drawer and I did not finish because I was so tired, but I do want to just unpack this entire drawer and make it a little bit more cute and aesthetic for the house. I know it's super unnecessary, not something that's super important, but it's just something I want to do. Let me live, guys. Holy freaking cow, guys. All of the cans perfectly fit in here, but that just means all of my vitamins can't fit in here. I think Matt needs to see this. This looks incredibly crazy. I'm actually sad to start drinking them because that means slowly they're gonna go away. Just remember this can drawer. Also, P.S. Lauren is a investor in cans, so as a good friend, I support her. I did buy a bunch of cans because both Matt and I are obsessed with them, and we both have like 1 or 2 each night. Matt and I are doing our first outing together in Denver. We're gonna go to the grocery store, pick up some groceries. I still need to do a lot of unpacking, but I need hangers first. Other than that, the Super Bowl is gonna start in like an hour or 2, so I think I'm just gonna unpack more stuff later tonight. I'm just excited to get out of the house and just explore Denver. I decided to go to Whole Check for our groceries for today.
Whole paycheck.
A whole paycheck. Look at this fine man.
I don't think you understand. Like, you never grew up in a place that has like real winters, but to be able to get this weather in February.
This feels so nice. I'm really confused because yeah, I looked at the weather the other day and it was like low 30s, and today is a beautiful 55-degree weather with sun. Beautiful weather. Best first day in LA or Denver. Ooh, we got some guacamole. Hot guac. Wow, those are the prettiest berries I've ever seen.
$20.99.
$20? So Apparently people aren't the friendliest in Denver, or someone's just having a really bad day, but a lady did not see me while I was walking, ran into me, then pushed me, and I was like, please don't touch me. Either way, she went through the wrong exit. She was entering the exit and I was going through the entrance. Either way, we just ran into each other again and she just called me a bitch. People are crazy. It's Denver, there's mountains, there's fresh air. I don't know what she has to complain about, but people are crazy. And there she is, guys. Oh my god. Getting some cheese. Whoa, that is such a cool cover of Billy. That is so cool. So I'm getting candy. I don't need more candy in my life, but you guys know I love my candy. Here's my little haul, guys. I'm not getting a lot because we're gonna go to Trader Joe's probably tomorrow or even tonight, but I just needed some basics. Matt and I are back in the car right now. I just wanted to preface or just like take back what I said earlier at Whole Foods. Denver people are friendly. It was just that one person. She was just not friendly. She probably had a really bad day and she ran into me. Like I literally didn't do anything wrong. She ran into me, then she shoved me out of the way. Then I was like, please don't touch me. And then we met back up inside the actual Whole Foods because we were outside of Whole Foods and she was entering the exit the wrong way and I was going the right way. Either way, we met up in the middle and she looked at me and called me a bitch and I was like, don't call me a bitch. Wish I said something else, but it's okay. I'm the bigger person. We'll be bigger people today. Guys, this is the smallest Target ever. It's so cute. I don't think they have hangers here for some reason. All right, this is the only option I have for hangers. They're these types of hangers. I don't love these. It's kind of what I'm working with. I'm gonna buy two because they're only $2. Guys, let me just show you guys how small this Target is. That's it. This is the smallest, cutest Target ever. So we just got back. I just realized, I just saw this. We have a little wine fridge, which is so freaking cool. So I think I'm gonna put a bunch of our drinks in here because I think that'll be so nice. All right, guys, here is the new fridge. So I have my ginger ale for my cans. Matt has his LaCroix. We got some mango White Claws. Stella Artois, definitely not for me, for Matthew. This looks so satisfying. I really want one of these at my house now. It's so cool. So I organized everything in the fridge. We have all of our meats here, all of our fruits and veggies here. We got some flatbreads here. We got some sauces, we got some cheese, and we got some water. Wow, this is like the fanciest microwave I've ever seen. Also, I don't even own a microwave, so I barely remembered how to use this. We're just gonna do it 30 seconds at a time because that's all I know how to do. All right, let's try this queso. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's good. All right, guys, here is our setup for the Super Bowl. So we got some chips with queso, we got some hot guacamole, regular guacamole, a fruit bowl, some bitchin' sauce. We got some skinny dipped almonds, cheese, and some pretzels. And then I bought myself some pizza from Whole Foods. This is my favorite pizza from them. This is their mushroom and caramelized onion pizza. Pretty sure it's gonna be cold, but still down to eat it. And then I have a little ginger ale. I don't think I'm gonna drink any alcohol today because I have so much stuff to get done today, but I'm gonna enjoy the Super Bowl, maybe have one can, and call it a day. I feel like the next few hours might be boring, so I'm not gonna show you guys me watching the Super Bowl because that's boring, but I hope the Buccaneers win. Comment down below which team did you want to win the Super Bowl this year. I literally know shit about football. I'm rooting for Miley. That's who I'm rooting for. Hey guys, so it's 9:30 p.m. right now. I'm gonna send a bunch of footage to Callie right now just so that I'm like on top of my shit. I'm a dumbass. I thought Miley Cyrus was playing the freaking Super Bowl for some reason. It was the weekend. Miley Cyrus was the pregame. Not gonna lie, did not pay attention to the game that much. Happy that Tom Brady won. Go fucking Buccaneers. Let me know who you guys rooted for. But I'm gonna do a little bit of work. Hey guys, so I just finished making my thumbnail and I thought I would just show you guys. It is almost 12 a.m. right now. I'm actually really surprised that I'm so tired. Oh my god, guys, it's not 12 a.m. It is almost 1 a.m. I am so stupid, but I wanted to show you guys something really fast. I just finished my thumbnail for the video I'm posting right now. It's gonna go up tomorrow morning. By the time you guys see this video, it's already up. It's when I talk about the investment I'm making with my money and the brand that I potentially could be investing in. I definitely need to prep for that phone call and just go over finances and financial terms, watch a little bit of Shark Tank to see what I need to know. I mean, Shark Tank is probably not the best way to research everything, but I think I do need to reach out to my accountant and my financial advisor just to talk to them and tell them what's going on with my finances and what decisions I'm trying to make right now. But I am so excited about that. Today was a very interesting day for my first day in Denver. I'm not gonna lie. Today was a good day overall. It was really fun just watching the Super Bowl with Matt and everything else. But I will say I was just shooken up by the Karen that I saw in Whole Foods. Like, I've never experienced or witnessed a Karen, but I could just see that she is most likely a Karen. Like, she literally bumped into me and then shoved me and then called me a B word. I just think it's important that we all treat others how you would want to be treated, and just, you know, I feel like all of us are going through shit during this pandemic. We're all stressed out. It's no reason to be rude to people. So I just want you guys to realize that it's never okay to be rude. It's not okay when someone else is rude to you. You know, just be good, nice people. If you're not a good, nice person, peace out. I don't want you to be my subscriber. Go away. For all of you guys who are good, beautiful people, I love you guys so much. If you guys made it to the end of this video, leave me a question of the day. Tazzle10 asked me, why are you bringing one pair of pajamas for 30 days? Question mark. That is because your girl does not like pajamas at all. I hate pajamas. I like to go to bed without a shirt on, without pants on, just underwear. I don't even know why I packed the pajamas because most likely I would never wear them, but I did pack them just in case I got really cold that night, then I could have a pair of pajamas to wear, but that's why I only packed one pajama. But yeah, that is it with today's video. Keep on asking some questions and I'm gonna answer them down below. And yeah, I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.